I think in that case, uncle, you should be checked up. Do a CT scan first
Yeah, but
today.
I will tell you something. Check-up is okay.
Oh,
But if there is something wrong, what are you going to do?
next step.
I, I have so many time. I, I have a problem with bang bang like this in my head. But the only thing they are doing, they are scanning to see, okay, this is.
But there is no blood like that, that clots like ante.
No, it's not.
Oh, very good.
It's not blood inside.
Oh,
Different because you fall down like that.
oh.
But back head is not good to hurt. I feel now it is. They will not go over this all the time.
Oh. There still is until now?
Yeah, both.
I think you have to transfer to the other end.
What you say? I
And
cannot,
the pack, this, I think it has.
It's okay, ante, because there's an ice on the head.
yeah, I have an ice here. This one.
No ice cream.
But I'm very hungry also.
What do you want to eat?
I have plenty of food, but
Mid rice.
I went out of the car and I should wait to the cleaner, the two people, huh? Then I went out of the car, bang! Both legs like this, because full of water and dangerous, because cement on the slippery.
That is there in the gate? Where?
Now outside of the hospital, the Seliman Hospital.
I there you bang yourself? Not under?
No, I was in it. There is a people cleaning cars
Oh,
there, up a little bit there.
oh.
There.
I thought you slide
No.
there. Ay, hala.
Dito din siya. Dali,
So you wanted to clean the car?
Yeah,
Oh.
because I'm orchid. And then I went out from the car.
Oh.
That's why it happened.
Slide.
And bum directly.
Then they help you, the people there?
Yeah.
And then you just said that you will go home.
I said to them, I go home.
Oh my goodness.